popular quote that says, birds of the same feather flock together. When you look at your friends, when you look at the circle around you, you can't just hate on them because they're merely a reflection of you. You chose them. If you're hanging out with losers, if you're hanging out with druggies, if you're hanging out with people that are pessimistic, what do you think is going to happen to you? Inevitably, that's going to rub off. If you're hanging out with successful people, people that have a desire to make money, to get fit, to level up, eventually that will also rub off because the influence of many impacts everybody.